Netflix currently wears the streaming crown because it kept it to one simple phrase, that is, content is king.
To act in Netflix's best interest.
Founded in 1997 by Reed Hastings and Mark Randolph in Scotts Valley, California, Netflix began as a mail-order DVD service. Instead of going to a local store like Blockbuster, Netflix delivered entertainment right to your door. Nearly a decade later, Netflix started streaming video and changed the way we watch everything. In April 2017, Netflix hit a milestone when it reached 100 million subscribers. That's more than any over-the-top streaming network, including Amazon Prime and Hulu. Netflix is currently available in over 190 countries. Half the subscribers are in the US, where roughly 50 million people joined across the 50 states. When Netflix started, it allowed its users to create a queue of movies they wanted to watch later on, but there was a rather peculiar and unexpected outcome, as users never really watched what they queued for. So Netflix decided to stop asking people what they wanted to watch and instead started building a new model based on millions of clicks and views from similar customers. This resulted in customers visiting Netflix more frequently and watching more movies. Netflix ad-free platform with no commercial break has pushed advertisers to find new ways to reach viewers. One example is the new Coke, which was featured in Netflix original Stranger Things series, with Coca-Cola bringing back the new limited edition Coke cans for sale and turning the company's infamous failure into a new marketing opportunity. Promotional partnership also happened off-screen for Stranger Things, as Baskin-Robbins created 8 flavors and collectible containers tied to the show. This was Baskin-Robbins' largest partnership and its first with this streaming platform. Social media influencers are somebody they connect with and trust majorly. Influencers indeed change consumer buying patterns and help the brand increase its engagement and reach. There are various ways through which Netflix has incorporated influencer marketing in their business model. First being crossovers. The most recent addition Netflix has added to its social media marketing strategy is to do fun crossovers between shows and influencers via the new Instagram feature Reels. Second, review videos. Many influencers have reviewed multiple Netflix shows. Such reviews persuade the influencer audience to watch the show as their favorite influencer is recommending it. Thirdly, meme culture. Humor advertising grabs more attention and engagement than any regular form of advertising if done correctly. The best way to divert the millennials' attention on the page these days is through memes. And fourthly, relatable videos. Apart from review videos, Netflix also collaborates with influencers to generate videos related to the shows they want to promote. In 2009, Netflix started the streaming service to work on TV with Roku and Xbox 360. In 2010, Netflix upgraded the streaming service with immediate access via the Wii console. In 2011, Netflix came to the Android platform as well as iOS platform and thus completely changed the way people stream web series, TV shows and movies. Since then, average yearly viewer rate has been increasing exponentially. Netflix plans to double the original programs by the end of 2022, expanding native language and unscripted content. Beyond that, they are planning to venture into live TV, covering everything from concerts to sports events. Improvements in the streaming technology and a rise in the use of handheld devices helped Netflix grow, as did the platform's vast library of films and TV shows. But there was one problem. None of the content belonged to Netflix. So Netflix found a solution, that is, to go from streaming TV to creating it. By 2016, Netflix grew around 126 original programs a year, from children's cartoon to feature-length documentaries. If content is really king, then whatever the future holds, one thing is certain: Netflix has changed the way we watch TV forever.